What's up, everybody? It's a super exciting day. We are about to sit the 6-liter engine and transmission back into the CUCV for the first time. All right, so the first thing I need to do here, get the transmission down off the bench. All right, now we got to get the engine off the stand. So we've learned we've got the passenger side motor mount bolt in. That's good. But the driver's side, from what I can tell, the mounts are too wedged. If I had to guess what throws it off, it's these two plates that I put between the clamshell and the adapter plate. Those may be a diesel specific thing, so I'm gonna have to lift it back out and take those off. We also learned that where I have the engine hooked to the chains is not a good place because I'm not gonna be able to get those bolts back out with the engine in the truck. So we learned a little bit. We'll take it out, reset, try again. On our motor mount clamshell, you can see there's a little bump out here. Those plates make up for that bump out. So what I'm going to try, I actually have a couple of these mounts. I'm going to look over on the shelf and see if I have any extra ones that don't have this. But if I don't, then I'm going to cut this little bump out off. That looks pretty darn flat to me. Let's see. Okay, I think now it's gonna fit, except we have another clearance issue. Now, the bottom of the mount is hitting right here on this bracket where the bracket for the air conditioning used to mount. I'm not gonna be running air conditioning, so I can cut this off. I don't think these are the exact mount adapters intended for what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure they're intended to be used in a car of this era, which explains why the mounts aren't quite right, but I didn't see anywhere in the instructions where it said I was going to have to cut off parts of the engine block in order for this to fit. So just more stuff that you gotta improvise, adapt, and overcome. Alright, let's see if that gets us somewhere. We got one bolt in. We got two bolts in. And we got three bolts in. And with all three bolts, our mount appears to sit flat. It doesn't look like it's hitting anything. Alright, so now we just have to do the same thing on the other side. Looks pretty flat to me. Alright, doesn't look like we have any clearance issues on this side like we do on the other side. Alright. Hopefully that resolves our motor mount issue. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to knock off my ignition coils here. And that's going to then move my rear chain to these exhaust manifold bolts. That way my hoist point isn't going to be interfering with the firewall. It'll give me more space to work, and I'll be able to actually get the chain off once I have it in position. Alright, we got our motor mounts connected. So now, we need to get the transmission mount bolted to the back of the transmission. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a 6-liter LQ4 sitting in our CUCV truck. Yes! We got the motor mounts lined up. Those spacers behind were the problem, and that little bump, we fixed that. Our transmission mounts lined up just like they should. We got the transmission crossmember in, so everything fits the way it's supposed to. So that's it. I'm wrapping this video up. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I think progress should pick up. We should increase our pace on this now that we've got it in the truck. That's really motivating. My fuel system components should be here. The rest of what I'm waiting for should be here next week. So thanks so much for watching. Again, I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss any updates on this project, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care until then. start mocking up everything else, exhaust, intake, we'll get the wiring all figured out, all of that stuff. We'll get the fuel system plumbed, we'll get some electricity hooked up to this thing, and we'll get the wire harness weeded out and ready to go so we can start it up and hear it run. Hopefully it won't be long and we'll be able to start this thing up and really hear it go.